Top 5 High CPM Niches in YouTube Automation. Finance Explained. If you want to earn a better future, you've clicked on an eye-opening exploration of the top 5 high CPM cost per mile niches in YouTube automation. In this video, we'll venture into the world of faceless cash cow channels, where untapped potential and low competition beckon the savvy content creator. Whether you're a seasoned YouTuber or just starting out your journey, this is your ticket to unlocking the secrets of earning $5, $7, or even $10,000 a month with little effort. And starting from number 5, Celebrity and Hollywood Gossip Niche. Our first stop takes us to the captivating world of celebrities and Hollywood gossip. Meet Pop Juice, a faceless cash cow YouTube channel that has cracked the code to success in this thriving niche. With over 200 videos generating a staggering 5 million views in the last 30 days, this channel's earnings are nothing short of impressive. But what sets Pop Juice apart from the rest? Join us as we delve into their tantalizing thumbnails and click-worthy titles that keep viewers coming back for more. Discover the power of targeting keywords relating to famous personalities and why the celebrity niche can be a goldmine for CPM. Unravel the secrets of creating viral-worthy content and staying ahead in this fiercely competitive market. In the celebrity niche, CPM can range from $2 to $7 depending upon various factors such as audience demographics, video length, and engagement rate. The engagement rate in this niche is usually high, given the avid interest people have in celebrity gossip and news. With smart targeting, you can attract a dedicated audience and rake in substantial revenue. Next, at number 4, the personal finance niche. Explore the power of keywords and niches in the personal finance space, where CPM can soar between $20 and $30. Uncover the secrets of creating content that resonates with your audience, driving higher engagement and boosting your revenue potential. With the right approach and insights, you can pave your way to financial success while helping your viewers navigate their financial journey. The personal finance niche is highly sought after by advertisers and sponsors as it attracts a valuable and engaged audience. Whether you're discussing budgeting tips, investing strategies, or saving hacks, there's no shortage of opportunities to monetize your content in this niche. Additionally, the CPM tends to remain stable, making it a reliable choice for YouTube automation. At number 3, the space niche. Venture into the cosmos with Destiny, a faceless cash cow channel that uncovers the mysteries of space. Despite being an underserved sub-niche in technology, Destiny has managed to garner a loyal following and over 10 million views per month. Discover why the space niche is a hidden treasure for YouTube automation. Low competition and captivating thumbnails can work wonders in driving up your channel's CPM, which can range from $3.50 to $24.50. We'll show you how to create videos that are out of this world and appeal to the inquisitive minds of space enthusiasts. The space niche is particularly appealing to a dedicated audience of science enthusiasts, astronomy lovers, and tech-savvy individuals. Advertisers in this niche often offer premium rates due to the audience's potential high purchasing power and engagement. By tapping into this niche, you can not only satisfy your curiosity about the universe, but also elevate your YouTube revenue to astronomical heights. Now, the ultimate top 2 niches are here. At number 2, Survival Advice Niche. Prepare to survive and thrive in the wilderness with Survival Gear, a faceless cash cow YouTube channel that conquers the survival advice niche. Boasting 628,000 subscribers and an impressive 5.1 million views in the last 30 days, this channel proves that low competition niches can be incredibly profitable. Explore the dynamics of the survival advice niche, where CPM can reach up to $21.60 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. Unleash the power of captivating thumbnails and engaging content that appeals to outdoor enthusiasts. Dive into the world of affiliate marketing and learn how Survival Gear drives affiliate sales to rake in substantial income. The survival advice niche attracts a niche audience with a strong interest in outdoor activities, camping, and self-sufficiency. As an automation-focused YouTuber, you can create evergreen content that keeps viewers coming back for more. From reviewing survival gear to sharing essential tips for wilderness adventures, you'll find ample opportunities to leverage affiliate marketing and sponsorships in this niche. Why did the YouTube algorithm go to therapy? Because it couldn't handle all the drama, clickbait, and endless cat videos that creators threw its way. It needed a serious break from all that digital chaos. By the way, hit that like button and share this video with your friends faster than a cheetah chasing its favorite snack. And hey, if you want more informative content, be sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications to never miss an upload from us. And last but not least, at number 1, the story niche. Immerse yourself in the captivating realm of storytelling with interesting facts. This faceless cash cow channel has mastered the art of storytelling and entertains over 3.56 million subscribers with evergreen content. Discover why the story niche is a hidden gem, offering high CPMs of around $7 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. Unearth the secrets of keeping your viewers glued to their screens with captivating narratives and stunning visuals. We'll also explore the power of outsourcing and how you can create top-quality content with minimal effort. The story niche caters to the innate human desire for storytelling and escapism. By crafting engaging stories and presenting them with immersive visuals, you can build a loyal following that keeps coming back for more tales. The high CPM in this niche is a testament to its monetization potential, making it an ideal choice for YouTube automation. And now that we've uncovered the top 5 high CPM niches that promise vast revenue potential, it's time to dive deeper into the secrets of making money on autopilot. Beyond just running ads, we'll unlock the treasure trove of affiliate marketing and how you can become a master middleman, earning commissions by connecting your audience with valuable products. Imagine you've created for viewers, and they trust your recommendations. Now it's time to leverage that trust and introduce them to products or services that can genuinely benefit their lives. That's where affiliate marketing steps in as your gateway to passive income. Affiliate marketing is the art of promoting products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. The beauty of this strategy lies in its simplicity. You don't need to handle inventory, customer service, or shipping. All you need to do is strategically insert affiliate links in your video descriptions and comments to guide your audience towards their new favorite products. Share your views in the comment section below and let us know your thoughts, questions, and any other topics you'd like us to explore in upcoming episodes. And don't forget to press that bell icon and never miss an upload from us. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you in the next one.